Lalabas na kami ng game. Yeah. It's beach, beach, beach. Padulong nami magkoan sa kay bangka para ato sa White Island. Mga tutoy lang nato dere, mga tutoy. Okay, as always, kita og mga souvenir items.
Inibalik na to?
Wait. Pero nice cute siya, Bing. In fairness. Okay, let's go! Ano na dami diri sa bangkaan kung asa ang sakyan para moto sa White Island. So, ano siya? Ang area is just like this. So, ingani nga mga boat, ang inyong sakyan, ingani ka mga mugbo lang. Dili tong pang island, hopping yun. This is so exciting, guys. We're going na. So, we paid for 2 boats. 4 lang each boat, but we half it. Kasi 6 po kami. Ayan. Let's go, guys! This is it. This is it. Ang cute naman. This is so exciting. A bit scary actually. Then, kailangan daw, hindi pwedeng hindi mag-life jacket guys. Kasi kailangan talaga to for our safety. We're moving. We're going now. Oh my God, the view. Oh my God. Hindi talaga siya nakakasisi. 550 only for the boat. Maximum of 4 person ready. So, sobrang sulit na actually. And then, additional 50 pesos for parang entrance fee nila. So, this is actually what you get. So, it's kind of like Kalangaman Island. As you can see, parang nasa siya, sand in the middle of the ocean, ganun effect. And I like it because look at the mountain at the back. Very, 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 very nice. Grabe, wala akong masabi. Ang ganda. Yun lang. So we will do another transition, guys, for our TikTok or Reels videos. I find it ngit-ngit inyong mga naong.
Oh, ngit-ngit yun kay Gagan.
Diha na lang yun, kaya makita ng sandbar.
Dili balance, kaya may remove gaman.
Go. Balik. Sa Pamela, nagkakalis-alis siya again. Atras.
Yuha, oy. Wala good ng fog. Wala. guys, they're enjoying the beach na, and look at them. They're so cute. They are enjoying the beach while taking pictures. And also, there's one thing that I want to show you. You see that? You see that? Sobrang ganda niya talaga. And also, grabe, ang ganda. At ang linaw ng tubig. Ganyan. So much for White Island. I really enjoyed it. Kailangan na namin umalis kasi cut off is 5 p.m. so kailangan namin mag-go. So we had much fun for an hour. So guys, thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye. Okay. Oh. Bye. For 80 pesos, pares. Good morning, kami din.
Gusto kong bumili yan. Jollibee na lang. Kasi it was raining earlier, like, heavy. We were supposed to be leaving at 7 a.m. sa mga sa lakad namin today. Eh, nakapagtulong pa kami lahat.
Thank you, Jollibee Kamigin. Finally, we're here after a decade. Here inside, and first is you just need to get your tickets from here for 75 pesos. Yan, for 75 pesos makakapasok ka na dito at makakaligo sa pool nila. Yeah, and they have spacious restrooms actually there. And why is it called soda water?
Because it tastes like Coca-Cola.
We can put our things there, oh. And guys, another bayad?
Yep.
Oh, okay guys. So the kiosk or cottages here are not free, so you need to pay extra. So this is it. This is already it. By the way, thanks Oduo. gagawa ng transition again for our TikTok video.
1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Picture. Welcome to Soda Warp.
Hello mga bidaloka!
Top down riding, let the West Coast vibes collide. Corner store stops, grab a drink, it's all good. Cruising through the streets of my neighborhood. Hey yo, West Coast, where the sun sets slow. Chilling with the homies, let that talk box glow. Barbecues and palm.
Tanawan ng mga swimmer, di ba? Kuan kayo, lawas.
Na-videoan to! Ito nakita ka, very interesting kay. Nasa yung small tindahan diri. Look, so aesthetic pag yun. So, ang yan ano. Tadang! Oh, sila pa tindahan. Danawa na. Cute ka. You like super out of nowhere nga tindahan but helpful ba yan dyan siya?
West Coast, where the sun sets slow. Chilling with the homies, let that talk box glow. Barbecues and palm trees.
Okay, going to the next stop. We're just here for 20 minutes because we were running out of time. Our trip to CDO is 1:20 p.m. So right now it's already 10:35. So we need to move. We're bound to the falls.
Corner store stops, grab a drink, it's all good. Cruising through the streets of my neighborhood. Hey yo, West Coast, where the sun sets slow. Chilling with the homies, let that talk box glow. Barbecues and palm trees, vibe real tight. Retro beats bumping beneath the moon tonight. Cali breeze blowing, let the funk take the floor. Some so smooth, leave them shouting.
Kinikimot lang namin. Kinikimot lang namin lahat.
Dali!
Kinikimot namin tapos kami yung Singapore. 1, 2, 3, go. Wow, perfect. Go.
So guys, another 75 pesos when you come to Tuwasan Falls. So here. Let's go. And guys. Actually, the water is good kasi may mababaw na part, which is really good to those who cannot swim. And these rocks here, ang ganda niyang tingnan. Look at that. Welcome to Tawasan. Tawasan Falls. Tuwasan Falls. Ang ganda. Actually, nindot siya kay naa siya PC nga gibutang. See this one? That part there is already lalom. So, if diri pa ka nga side, diri na area, mura na na sa dagat kay naa siya'y mabaw. So, okay kayo, dili siya diretso o galalom. Abot diri ang pisik actually. So refreshing. So I'm gonna try na ko kung ako ikuha na akong tiil sa tubig no kung unsa siya kabugnawon. Oh my God! Tugnaw kay siya. Tugnaw kay siya, guys. Promise. Grabe. Legit. Tugnaw kayo. Say hi again! Hi! Because this will be our last stop here in Camiguin. Ay, pwede ay?
What are you talking about?
So, we will be having another stop after this falls. Falls, Gabon? See? Actually guys, you don't have to worry if gutom mo or uhaw because naagad sila yung mga paninda every tourist destination. There. I'm actually interested getting this one because this is new to me. There, but magbuko sa daw mi. Kini. Naayo. With free kutsara. Ta. Hab-hab. Lami. Wala mo, labot to. Labot to eh. Bye! I hope you enjoyed Camiguin.
Marot pag tubig. Mara, uy.
Overheat yung isang motor. Kasi daw mabigat. Sila. Ayan, nag-aso-aso siya guys. Bigat kasi ng mukha mo. Ang kanyang color kasi guys is mabibigat ang color nila. Kaya ayan, overheat. Guys, we're running out of time and we just arrived here back at the inn. And kailangan pa nilang mag-ilis, maligo. But me, mag-change na lang ako ng dress para going na to CDO. Dumating kami, so kailangan naming tumakbo para... Ang ticket niya, ticket! Ticket, ipa-verify pa to. Ihata sinabi ko niya na yung gamit. Kamera yung gamit. Green. Manay barko. We're late for about 1:25 and ticket supposedly 1:20. I don't know if we can still ride that coach. Ayan, nais ko lang yung mga gamit ko kasi ito yung sinakyan namin. So, napakyaw rami for 700 pesos sa pakyaw mi padulong din sa pier. Sa online, kami na lagi hulat.
So, 30 times 6 na yun. Pas na kami, kaya kamu lagi iwatan.
Kami na lang lagi hulat.
Kita iwat, kamu lagi iwatan. Special.
Special. Asa man? Ano yage? Pwede na? Salamat, by the way, kami din sa paghulat na mo. Mabisag lang ngayon. Dali na guys.
180.
And finally, mabot kami. This ends my vlog for Camiguin. So, bye-bye. Hi! Outfit check. Okay. Going na kami gumala and ready to gala here in CDO. See you later, guys. Bye!